Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Asis, and now we are going to learn about schedule a backup. Okay, now when you take a backup, you have to schedule it, right? So let's flip over to my laptop, SQL Server, and just check. Okay, so this is our SQL Server Management Studio, and now what you need to go do if you want to take the backup of your training database. Now you have to schedule a backup for this. So just click on the management, open this, go to the maintenance plan, right click on the plan and give a name to the plan. Okay, I am just giving as a backup. Okay, then you click on OK, and a new window will appear. Okay, this toolbox, if it is not coming, you just you can pin and auto pin and unpin also, but if it is not, you can go to view and you can click on toolbox. Now you have to select a backup. Okay, backup database task, you can see this is the backup task, and then double click on this uh, backup, and then you can go and you can select the database. Okay, you can select your one database or all the database or all the system database, everything, anything you can take it and you can do it. Okay, and then you can give a destination which is showing here. So you just we will select the same destination as we have used in our last video. So I'm going with a full backup. Okay, click on OK. See, this is already taking it as a backup file. You can make it, and then here are some other options are there. You can go one by one and you can use it. Compress, do not compress, and use the default server setting, everything is there. You can go and you can select it. Okay, now you can click OK. That has selected the backup for the training database, and then you have a scheduler also. So you want to go weekly or daily or monthly, whatever you want to go, you can give it. Okay, and then you can click on OK. One more thing I want to tell you, you can select the backup type also: full backup, differential backup, and transactional log backup. If you are not familiar with full backup or transactional backup or differential backup, you just go to my last video backup. There you can see this difference between these. Okay, now you can click on OK, and then you can save. So you just click on save. Okay, and this backup plan has saved in your maintenance plan. You right click and refresh it, you can see this, right? And you can go and you can modify also. Okay, just I'm going outside. This is now one more thing, that scheduler you have, that you can see here in your job. See, backup. So this is the same scheduler which is taken the backup. Okay, so this is how you can make a backup. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and keep uh, watching my channel for another updates. Thank you.